It's time to load up. I mean, y'all gonna help you. Y'all just gonna stand there and watch. I swear, y'all ain't on nothing. Y'all can't help a brother out at all. Grab something. What's good, YouTube? Big Legends in the building. Back with another legendary video. We got a little bit of a drill setup for y'all. We got 6 targets, 2 shots on each. We're gonna hit the first paper target right here. Small paper target right here. Then we're going to the white steel all the way in the back. Small steel in the front. Black paper in the over to the right, and then the small steel over there to the right. All right, man, I'm gonna let Ant kick this thing off, show you how it's done. All right, let's get it.
All right, fellas, we going hot.
Going hot. This shit right there.
I gave him a trunk.
Hit him right in the ear.
There's one on there.
Just one.
So I got 2, 3, 4, nothing on here. 5, 6, 7 hits.
All right, it's been a hot little minute since I've been to the range, so I'm just gonna run through this shit real slow first time. Then we're gonna speed it up as we go on. So the first 3 targets on this side, and then we transition over.
Step 2 to the next 3.
All right.
Matter of fact, no, my bad, I fucked up. 2 targets on this, 2 paper targets on this side. Here's the main steel target here. Steel target thing. So 2 on this side, 4
on the other side.
Yep.
All right. Going hot.
Yeah. We got 3 hits on the steel, right?
Yeah. Let's see how I did on this paper.
I left the
Looks like we got 1 right here and 1 right here.
You got 2 inside?
Yeah. Well, 1 right
1.
here and then 1 down here.
All right, that's 5.
We got 1 there. Let's see my
Miss.
hole.
6, 8. You got 8. I seen him when you was hitting these
2 right there. A little bit low. I missed the steel twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed 2 steel shots. All right. Not too bad for the first run, but, you know, we're going to clean it up a little bit later. Behind you.
All right, we're going center target. All right, we're going hot.
Going hot. Shit, good shit. 2 hits right there. Good shit. The last one was just low.
So 5 hits on the steel.
Mm-hmm.
Got the market day.
All right.
5.
One right there.
6. So nothing, okay. That's 6 so far. 7, got him dead in his face that time. Missed one. 7. 8. We're gonna count that as a miss because it's not in the circle. So I got 8. We're gonna make sure we're gonna check anything in the circle is gonna consider hits.
Yep.
Come on. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying?
All right, cool.
So top paper target.
Yeah.
Top paper target.
Top paper target.
The
Other
man.
paper target.
The big steel standing up.
Small,
The small steel.
Big plate.
on the stand.
Got
On the
you.
stand.
The
Small
small
plate
steel
here.
right here in the grass. Then the paper target and the black paper target and the black steel over to the right.
Yeah. So we got 3 steels and 3 paper targets.
You up?
No, you up.
Huh?
Let you get over and jump in there.
14 steals. I'm about to go get my 9 and see if I can hit all of them. Got you.
All right, Dave made an appearance.
So it's got 2 shots per target.
About to get his first run in.
Yeah. Might be a rough one. We're going to see.
So good.
Yeah, they all marked off. Yep.
All right.
We just had to adjust the range a little bit.
Hey, going hot.
Going hot. One.
Paper.
Send it still.
Two hits on
Yeah,
steel.
we got 2 hits on steel so far.
Going
I
cold.
didn't know.
We going cold.
Cold.
Marker.
Paper, steel, no
Steel.
steel.
Paper,
Steel.
steel.
All right.
All right, let's see what these hits hitting on.
Right here. Damn, somebody got the marker. You got the.
Nah, you got it.
One.
Did I leave the marker up? Oh, shit. So he's right
One right here. And one right there. All right, so boom, boom.
there. So we got 3 hits on steel. 4.
Where we at with it?
That's
Oh,
me.
2 right
This
there.
nigga.
Boom, boom. Okay.
5.
I just see one.
And then where we at over here?
Oh, that's 2 right there?
Got 2 right beside each other.
Okay.
Okay, we got one to the left shoulder. And one to the cheek.
I'm in and count.
Yeah.
Damn. Niggas getting these shoulder shots.
But we only count what's in the circle though, Dave. So anything else consider miss.
Alright.
Yep. 7.
All right, we're going to try to see if we can get some point of view action for y'all. All right. Let's put one in the head. And I'm still shooting, getting rid of this bullshit mag tech. Still getting rid of this. All right. Going hot. Oh, shit. Forgot what target. And the lock back. Good, good.
I seen this. Both of them right here. I seen both
Yeah,
of those.
I forgot to aim high. I need to aim high.
8. You probably was over here somewhere for the other one.
Yeah, it's
there.
probably that one right there, maybe.
8.
Boom, boom.
10.
I'll take that.
That's 2.
All right.
I got the 2 on still.
That little 10, 10, 10.
One here and one still.
All right, I got 10 in one mag and 2 in the other, so.
All right.
All right, you gonna hit a reload on them?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Going hot. Disqualified. Say not. All right, knock that bitch down.
Cold.
Range cold. Looks like we got
Oh, that play fair?
Yeah,
one
that's
here.
why.
I ain't paying attention up with the fan. Oh, this is the one I need to tighten up.
One.
That's what I feel.
Looks like one. He might have got one in here somewhere. Got one hit there. This is a new one in the shoulder shot. Where we hit on the target.
I know
The
it's
7
gonna
and the 8.
I got some extra ones if you can't find it though. I put some extra shit.
What is a nut that go on the back of here? Got it.
Yeah. Oh, boom.
I found so much mini RC parts we didn't
What-
found out this joint. I know we can find that big ass nut right
So you
there.
got the 7 and the 8 right here.
Could technically hang
on
it
this
next
one.
side and then next
You
side.
hit on the shoulder on this one.
Just shoulder and
Yeah, the shoulder and
damn.
right here, miss. And then I seen this new one right here, and I don't know if you keyholed another one, but I see just this one right here.
Don't look like it. Damn, I can't. What about this? There you go. No, nah.
Nah, that was
That's just
already
a
like
rip.
that. Yeah.
All right, shit.
Might have keyhole one. I don't know.
So far in the background.
Full hits on still.
Yeah.
Let's assess the damage on this paper.
4, 5, 6.
Hold up. Mark this one too. This was your one. That was Dave.
Okay.
Yeah, that was Dave.
6, 7.
That was Dave.
Oh, that's Dave.
That was Dave. So you right here.
7. That's it. Damn. Must have been high on that. 8,
Boom.
9.
Mark this one too. Actually, these two is Dave. So
Here you go. Okay, here you go now.
right there. Okay,
Uh-huh.
boom. All right.
9.
9 out of 12. 9 out of 12.
So miss plate, paper towel.
Can you hold the camera behind me, please?
Yeah, I got you.
All right. Going hot.
All right. Three steel hits, right?
I think so, yeah, 3.
Four. 5.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
So 1 miss, 1 hit down there.
5. 6.
6, 7.
7. All right. I know you hit this one. What?
Where we at? Hold
On the
on.
scoreboard. To the right.
Nah, that might have been there already.
I didn't see it when it walked.
Oh, okay. So, yeah,
Damn.
And down on the floor.
okay, so you.
Caught him in the nuts.
Uh-huh.
God damn. I ain't do too good on that one. I went from that to...
Yeah.
What you mean?
Yeah, but we not counting anything out the circle though.
You gotta count a nut. I don't give a fuck. Femur, nuts, dick. You gotta count that. 'Cause that's gonna put us. That's gonna put the threat
It's
down.
gonna put them down. It's gonna put them down. You right about that.
Alright, I'm up.
All right, everybody get another run in. We had to switch the range up a little bit. We sharing it with some other folks.
Going hot.
Just doing 5 targets.
Oh, hit some steel.
Good shit. Good shit. On cold.
Let's see what
I see one in the middle. Oh, both right here, dead in his hand.
Yeah, boy.
You got all
Shit
10,
right
baby.
there.
Get
That's
it.
10 for 10. Good shit.
Got all 10.
Good shit right there. All right.
Did I miss the second one on there?
I believe so. You missed the second one over here. Boom. Boom. Good
Dead
shit.
in the fingers. So what's that? 9, 8.
8.
8.
I believe he got 2 misses on that one. All right, 5 targets this time, y'all. 5 targets, all right?
Hit. Hit. 2 on steel.
Which one did I miss?
He definitely hit the target.
Nah, you only doing 10.
Yeah, I forgot we were doing
Yeah.
10.
At 4, but I couldn't run.
No, we only counting out hits on the steel because we can't see this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but yeah, he did get 1 on here.
And I
Miss. Yep. That was the worst one this year. Wow, man. That was only 4.
I know. We're
Yeah.
gonna see.
All right, new gun. 10 for 10 last round.
Alright.
Hit.
1, 3,
4 hits on steel. And that, the only thing about that back plate,
It's
you gotta
swinging.
wait till it stop.
yeah.
You got 4 total. You know that too.
Yeah.
4 on the steel.
Nothing, huh?
What the fuck?
I ain't hit that nigga at all.
Nah,
Hit the box.
cause these is my. I swore you was like in here though.
No, you missed, Dave. Don't worry about it.
Ah,
Alright,
yeah, God damn.
What about that one? That's probably what it hit.
Yeah, probably hit because I seen it like it hit or something. I seen the dirt fly up over here though.
Damn.
I just knew
That's
you was
cool.
over here though.
You know what? Bam and back. God damn. Nah, that can't be it.
Nah, that's too far
that
apart.
can't
though.
be it. But it's cool. Hey, the paper don't lie.
Yeah, that's too
I'm gonna go with point of view again.
Yeah.
Go with the point of view again. Let's try this out.
Good. I like my hand
All right, and I'm gonna have to reload too. All right, range shot. How am I missing that one?
But take the time, man. That was two hits on
Yeah.
his head.
You gotta at least give my man the back. He did hit the back plate.
Yeah, I hit that back one, but yeah,
Yeah.
that's a miss though. One
3,
hit right there,
4.
1 hit right there. So what's that?
4.
4 again?
Yeah.
So 4 hits, that was terrible. 4 out of 10, that's terrible, terrible, terrible.
You start rushing out of that first.
Yeah, I
plate.
am rushing a little bit, trying to get it a little.
Not in DC.
Thank you. Trying to get it a little quick for y'all, but I need to slow down and take my time.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, yep. We're incorporating the reload now. 5 shots, reload, 5 shots.
Hey, bad thumb, man.
Don't worry about it.
Say the day they had a bad thumb.
4.
6, 7, 8. Good shit.
Good with
All hits on steel. We're going cold. Let's take the paper.
Range go.
it. Come on, man. Let me get that paper.
Got him right down here and right up in the chin.
All right, I'm good with that.
Boom, boom.
I'm good with that.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's good shooting right
Yes,
there.
sir.
Good
10%?
shooting right there, Dave.
All right. I want to do that shotgun shell shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
we be out here with the 22s. You ain't gotta spend that much money on rounds and shit. We be
Yeah.
out here all day doing that shit.
I would try to do it with my rifle though.
Oh, okay.
On you, Ant.
All right.
Range.
We got
Range
that?
shot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I missed one?
Yep. Missed one in the back swinging.
Oh! Motherfucker.
Boom.
One. No, that's my. I miss on this too?
Keyhole.
I think you right there. Maybe. See, ain't nothing right there.
Yeah.
Cause this is this and this is that. So that's you.
Alright. So I missed one.
Yep.
Oh, you missed one?
I just missed one on that plate back
On the
there.
swing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Me. Can record for me?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. I just use it. I reload it.
All right, I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. All right, range hot.
Hit.
That first shot on that target
Mm-hmm.
went to the left.
5 on the plate.
All right, let's see what I hit.
Six.
Right here.
Damn.
No.
Mouth.
Right in the
yeah,
mouth.
yep,
Right in the mouth, yep. Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. All right, so what was that? You said 6, 5?
5 on the plate. 7. Total 7.
7. That's a little bit better than the last round. I had 4 the last round. Getting better, man.
Yeah. It's just reps.
Yeah, repetition.
That's what we out here.
That's
We
22,
barely hit
man.
these motherfuckers
Uh-huh.
hit though, yo.
Yeah.
Y'all breaking out with the rifles today? Yeah, we about to in a minute.
I like this little
You ain't gonna load it up?
TX Taurus 22 polymer slide. This thing is so light. All right, let's go for all 10 this time. Let's go for all 10 hits. All right. Range shot.
Take this paper towel. Oh.
Range code. Man, just had to take my time with it. All hits on steel. Let's see what this paper looking like. One to the shoulder, to the other shoulder. Oh no, yeah. Boom, right there.
Oh, okay, I'm about to say,
Boom,
hold on.
and boom.
Yeah, this one,
Shoulder and the stomach.
I'm about to say, them look too small.
Yeah, that was from your
mine.
22.
Yeah.
So boom. Slow it down, repetition. Slow it down. 10 out of 10 that time. That was a lot better. Eventually we can speed up and, you know what I'm saying, do what we need to do then. But yeah. Repetition.
You knock them all down?
45.
4-5. Michelle's hit me right in the chest too.
Oh, shit.
It's all good. I see that big 4-5 bullet.
Damn. Where we at?
One up high. You just missed though. Is this another one? Yeah, this two right here. That's another one right there.
No, that can't be me.
No, because this is one marker going this way, and this don't have no marker that way. Yep.
Damn, 2 misses though.
Yep, that's it.
And what I did.
You missed one on that plate
Yeah, that bitch
because it was spinning.
on
Yeah,
me.
but I think you got everything else though.
Yep. All right, last round on Dave. No pressure, no pressure.
Hey man, I'm gonna go reverse.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
Yep. Go ahead, do you.
All right, range hot.
Range shot.
Hey, I put the phone down. I see. All I heard was.
Come up. 3.
Range code.
That's a little dirty.
Got one right here. And one right there. Yep.
Ain't been, all right, he good.
Yep. He's down.
What I do on the steals?
I think you missed 2.
2.
Yeah, I think it was 2 misses on the steel, but another good round by Dave. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you're still here, I'll owe you some ammo. And drop a comment. What type of ammo you want me to send you since I owe you some ammo? I keep saying I'm gonna owe you some ammo, but y'all don't be telling me what ammo to send y'all. So let me know in the comments. Deuces, till the next time. Peace.